Hi. It is very simple to capture all the operation or process information for production item, MRV. Go to Production Reports, MRV Production Report. Select the date range and click Submit. Click on the MRV number. The process sheet recording form will open. Enter the process details like operation name, process date, from time to time, machine ID, operator and remarks if any. You can also enter the subcontract details of the item. Click Update. After updating, you can see saved data below. You can delete any data and re-enter, if required. Once finished, you can click on the top link for printing the process sheet. A professional process sheet with operator-wise summary and machine-wise summary will be displayed. You can print this and submit to your customer. Go to Production Reports, MRV Production Report. Click on the bottom link. simpliRP will show the details report. You can also click on the ID to view the individual process data sheet.